Hi Ashish.
Hello. Hello,
How are you
Sanjeev.
doing?
I'm good. How are you, sir?
Great. We'll not waste too much of your time. I can see a lot of people there,
Yep.
and there is hardly any place to sit today.
Yes, that's right.
तो quickly हम बता दें हमारे
ठीक
viewers को, we are shooting season 4 with you.
Okay.
ठीक है, तो नेम ऑफ द स्टोर अभी जो है थोड़ा सा मैं चेंजेस देख रहा हूँ बेसिकली.
हाँ जी.
So what are those changes? Share with the viewers.
Then yes, the name of the store is J Homes.
Okay.
Is the J Homes, and we are dealing in a brand Francesca right now.
Okay.
So everything will be branded by the J Homes.
By J Homes.
हाँ जी.
Okay. Because earlier जो हमारा brand था, that doesn't exist anymore.
That doesn't exist. That exists anymore. That already exists, but we have changed the boarding and the billboard and everything.
Okay.
To Francesca by J Homes.
Cool. And you have a very simple address. आराम से कोई भी यहाँ पे आपके पास पहुँच सकता है. Just so हम लोग generally हम description में देते हैं, but we would like to hear it from you because it's very simple. Just tell us how to reach out to you.
It's very easy. You just reach Panipat. In the heart of the city. There is a particular type of landmark is SD College.
Okay.
And just next to SD College is our shop.
Okay.
Right in the city, right on the main road.
Cool. In case
You
of
don't
any
have to go
confusion.
anywhere else.
Right.
Just SD College Road, Panipat. Put in it, and on Google Maps as well. You can go just put J Homes.
Okay.
And you can get into it.
Oh, lovely.
No problem at all.
ठीक है. We'll wrap up now with the last question, and the
Yes.
question is, what all we trade or manufacture? What all we have in this store?
We have in stock right now. We are dealing in ottomans. We are dealing in bed sheets, bed covers. We are now dealing in blankets as well. You know, a lot of quality blankets. We are starting from the AC blankets till the heavy range, and we've got foot mats. We've got this pure cotton bed covers, satin bed covers, solid bed covers.
Okay.
A lot of varieties there.
Okay. So time to unveil the products now.
Yeah, sure.
We'll wrap up now.
Let's
In
do
the
it.
description box, we'll mention all these things.
Definitely. Let's
Let's start
No
exploring
problem.
products.
Yes,
Okay. So revealing the most interesting part now. Okay. Diwali. Ashish ji, we caught you.
Hi, how are you?
Okay. Good. So we are done with the introduction part.
Done with the introduction part, yes.
Right. So the speciality, of course, we all know that you sell a lot of beautiful blankets, and also you sell amazing bed sheets.
Thank you.
There's one more thing which is extremely hugely loved by our viewers. I'm screaming because of the traffic noise.
Okay.
You got to scream equally.
Yes, I have to.
Lot of cacophony, lot of horrendous sound I'm making.
That's fine.
Okay.
I think
Alright, so
it is a traffic noise that makes it.
There's a lot of noise, but still I'll try. So Ashish ji, there's one more thing which you always wanted to tell us, that you used to import a lot of extra seating arrangement like stools.
Yeah,
tripod.
we used to import a lot of sitting arrangements, like for example stools. We got chairs. We got good Spanish chairs as well. We used to import a lot of things, but now we are actually introducing everything in Make in India. We are making everything individually. Everything has been made in India, crafted and handicrafted. Everything has been done in India.
Okay.
So we are not importing anymore.
So these stools we are talking about.
Yeah,
the
stools
stools we'll
Yes,
explore now.
yes.
But tell me, before we start exploring products, need to understand this from you. Do you get it made by somebody else, or do you have your own factory?
We have got everything made in house.
Okay.
We've got one factory of wooden. We've got everything made in house. We have got a lot of things been made in India. We've got everything has been done, handicrafted in India, designed in our factory.
Okay.
So we're making everything in house. We've got production of about 500 pieces each day. Every day we are making around 500 pieces of stools.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So how many varieties we have? Let's start exploring.
Let's start doing it.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay. So starting with, so this is the range. This is like a typical Diwali shopping, happening.
It is a Diwali shopping. Yeah. It is a Diwali shopping happening. It's a
Okay.
very
I
very
can see.
thick, busy market. It has been. It was busy before.
Okay.
But now it has been a little bit quieter.
Okay.
Because I think before Diwali there was a lot of things, but now it has been a quiet a lot.
Okay.
Things
Okay.
had been quieting a lot, not busy anymore.
ओके तो हम जितने भी अभी स्टूल देखने वाले हैं आशीष जी, ये सारे के सारे, इनके भी कोई नंबर फिक्स है कि कितने खरीदने हैं हमको? कोई नंबर ऑफ
No,
ऑर्डर?
there's just I think 2 pieces.
ओके
Pair has to be there.
ओके
There has
तो
to be
स्टार्टिंग
one
विद
pair.
दिस वन,
Yes.
आप मुझे दिखा सकते हैं ये वाला?
These ones are the steel legs ones.
हाँ, ये माइक आप लगा
This
दीजिए.
has been a steel leg.
हाँ.
This is a pure steel leg.
Okay,
and
pin
with
legs
a
हैं
polished, polished ones with beautiful fur in it.
ओके.
And we've got this one.
ये कितने का है?
We've got one in golden as well.
ओह ओके
Beautiful too.
ओके.
Golden leg ones is very beautiful.
अच्छा.
It has got golden legs all around, 3 pieces with electroplating.
Okay.
It will never go bad.
हाँ.
Not even if the water comes off and everything like this.
ओके. ये कितने का है? How much is this for?
This one is we're selling it for 1250.
Each?
1250 each piece.
और pair?
One
Each.
piece.
Okay.
One piece 1250.
And this one, ये fur वाला जो है ये कितने का है?
The fur one is the with the black legs. It's for 1050.
Okay.
And for the golden ones is 1250.
अच्छा.
Yeah, we can change it.
अच्छा.
We can change it. We can change this one to black leg as well. We can change the fur legs to this one as well.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Suppose you want this top with these legs, then
Yes, that is for 1250.
1250.
Yes.
And this stool, these ones, ये कितने का है?
The cartoon stools are for 650 each.
Okay. Okay, these are the same we have seen.
We got these beautiful fur ones as well.
Uh-huh.
Very soft legs.
Uh-huh.
All furry ones. Very soft legs.
ये wooden legs है ना इसमें?
It's all Mongolian fur
Uh-huh.
with the beautiful crafted. The softness is very good.
ये कितने का है?
It's
ये
called
this one?
forming. This one is for 650.
And this one?
This one is for 850.
Okay.
Mongolian one.
This one?
This one is for 650 as well.
These are the all
Same
same, ना? ये
650
सारे
ranges.
same,
Yes,
है ना?
yes, yes.
सारे same है.
Yes. And
Okay.
one texture is with this one.
Okay.
This is the one texture that we are selling. It's beautiful
अच्छा.
texture.
For Diwali, this is very
For
nice,
Diwali,
huh? Lot
yes,
of
it's
bling.
a very crystal thing, sparkling. It sparkles in the light and everything.
Okay. ये कितने का है?
This one is we're selling for 750 per piece.
750.
Yeah, with 4 legs. We've got this
Okay.
4 legs each. So we're not
Okay.
selling it for 3 legs each.
Okay.
We're selling everything with 4 legs.
अच्छा. So this one is available in beige, and then you have got pink, then you have got.
Beautiful colors in this.
This
Beautiful
is for a
colours.
Western house, black and white.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. This how much is this for?
This one is for 750 as well.
Okay. And this black one, you already told us.
Yes, yes.
And
Black
those,
one.
those are different, huh?
Yeah, these one are we call lounge chairs.
Okay.
Look at this one.
Okay.
Like
So-
this. The beautiful chair is lounge color.
Uh-huh.
We got like 4 varieties of this one.
Okay.
One is for beige color. One is for the lounge. One is for maroon color, coffee color.
Okay.
A lot of variety in this.
Okay. ये सारा का सारा fabric है basically,
The
है? This
fabric
is
is
used
there.
fabric on
We
this.
use foams on both sides. We use foam on both sides. We use the good legs
Okay. Cool. And this one is available in white color as well.
as well. Yes, yes.
Okay.
White color, beige color, coffee. We
Okay.
got 4 or 5 colors. I'll send you the PDFs.
And how much is this for? What is the price of this one?
We're selling for the 2,000 per pair.
This one.
Pair.
Okay.
One pair, 2,000 rupees.
Okay. And there's a change which has been brought in. I mean, I have not seen something like this. Can we see this one open?
Yeah, I'll open this one for you.
Okay.
This one is a bar chair.
Okay.
Bar stool, we can say. Very beautifully polished. And it has
Oh.
been used. Hang on a sec.
ये थोड़ा comparatively this is taller than the other one.
Yes, this is taller than the other one. This can be used in a kitchen stool as well. And beautiful fabric has been used. It's got solid
Oh,
bar
okay.
stools.
Solid wood, huh? This is?
Solid wood.
Okay.
And it's got this support as well with 3 legs.
Okay.
Everything is good. We got all lot of variety in this one.
You have white and then
We
you
got
got
white,
pink.
we got pink. Any colors we can be made.
Okay.
Can be made customized.
Achha, this can be customized?
Yes, a customer
Okay.
wants a color, we can customize it for it.
Okay. And how much is this for?
This one is for one piece is for 1500 per piece.
Okay.
Per piece range is 1500 per
ठीक
piece.
है.
Yes.
And these are the other stools
These
you
are
have.
the storage tools that I've shown you before as well.
Okay,
Yes,
cool. So we are done with it, and all these products you said they are supposed to be 2. दो order करने
Supposed to be a pair.
Okay.
Supposed to be a pair.
It cannot be delivered if it is one.
Yes,
Okay.
it can't be delivered.
And
if
then
it's one.
besides this, you have a lot of cushion covers. and
Cushion
other
covers, comforters, anything customers want, we can just send you a PDF.
things. Okay.
Everything is in house.
Okay.
We can send you a complete PDF accordingly.
ठीक
If
है.
you want a color, design, anything, we can send you a PDF. No problem at all.
These stools can be delivered anywhere in India.
Anywhere in India, all over India, we can deliver it. Not outside India.
Okay. For you, Diwali has already started
Yes.
because I can see a lot of customers
Yes, yes,
behind you,
yes,
and
yes.
they all are waiting for you.
Thank you so
and
much.
that's the best
Thank
part is
for-
you deal every individual personally.
Personally, I have to do it because customers are really important for us.
I can understand. So enjoy Diwali, have
you so
fun.
much. You
Okay,
too.
wish
Have
you
a
very
very
happy
good day.
Diwali. We'll
Thank
be
you.
back again.
Thank you, sure.
Take
Thank